welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Khadejah, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. If you read by the title, today is actually a sponsored video, which I'm very much thankful for. It's a surprise that I was reached out to. So I'm going to be sharing the details of this sponsored video, and I have a treat for you guys at the ending of the video. You know, we're going to see what's going to happen. So I'm going to set down this so you guys can see the product. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'm in the bathroom. Right. Let me set you guys up. Right, so I was actually sent, the company Duvolle sent me a Radiance skincare system. And this system is considered to be for every day, as you guys see. It does come with 4 interchangeable accessories, which are the facial exfoliation brush, large brush cleansing brush, and then there's a pumice stone included, and also a facial cleansing brush. Alright, so on the side of the box, I love the details. I love the color. So it also states, "Hello beautiful. Reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance skincare system." So I feel like we're gonna work this out. We're gonna see what's going on, what this is about. I actually just found out that I do have eczema. So with my skin, I've always had either some type of rash pops up, or I can't use a lot of things, soaps, deodorants, a lot of random stuff I can't use, and obviously it's not on my face, but it's a lot of different things. My skin is very sensitive. So we're gonna test this out and see what this is about. I'm just gonna use my soap that I order offline for my sensitive skin. And if anyone who has problems like me are looking for new soaps, I can only find this on Amazon, which is called 𝐼ZR. Now it's usually in drugstores, but I can't find any in my area. So I've been ordering for the last couple of years. Oh, it fell out. Oh wow. But the 𝐼ZR, it says sold as set, so you get 2 for like, I think either 2, maybe $4, maybe, I can't remember. I just order them because I need it. It's a necessity in my life, so I don't really care about the price for it. But we're gonna get started. I think I'm gonna use something small, because the big one is actually a body cleansing. I don't know what I said, but I don't think I said body. So forgive me you guys. Y'all know how I do. I be saying stuff, don't know what I be talking about. I have to read and then reiterate it to y'all, you know. So it does come with a little instruction pamphlet, which is really great. Okay, so it does give you all the details here of the accessories and how to prep them to put them on the body of the skincare system, which, I mean, honestly, let's see if it did come with batteries, because it says something about some batteries, and if we got batteries, I don't know. Y'all, this is how y'all know I didn't open this until now. Okay, I think it's pretty easy to open, but I'll come back when I got it open for y'all. Alright y'all, so I found some batteries. We about to, they don't even match y'all, but I don't know, we're gonna see what we can do. Don't even match. Okay, we gonna see if this thing come on. We gonna see y'all, cause I don't be needing batteries for a lot of things. I don't know, did I put them in right? Y'all probably about to laugh at me, but it's alright. It's alright. Let's see. Okay. Okay. 2 up, 2 down. Y'all see why I say reading is fundamental when you trying out new products. Crap. The heck? Y'all, I don't, okay. I think it's my batteries. I think these batteries are poo-poo. That's what it is. Okay, let's try this again. I think it's the batteries that are not cooperating for some reason. The ones that I found. Yeah, I'm gonna cleanse the batteries. Because I don't think I have any others. I'll be back again. Alright y'all, so I finally found some batteries that work, and I ended up putting on the cleansing brushes of state. You can follow the cleansing, exfoliating pumice stone, and then the body brush on, and put this on, and this is what it does. Shaboom. Let's see, turn it on, boom. Now I didn't see anything different. It does state, being that I'm going to use the cleansing brush, you know, let's see. I'm going to use warm water. I'm going to use some warm water. Yep. Yeah, let's see. I'm using some warm water, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm using my phone. The notifications are coming. I do apologize. But let's try to get down and personal with y'all. And let's see. I should roll up my sleeves, right? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna wet this a little bit. Just a little bit. And like I said, I'm going to use my soap, and I'm just going to put it on it already because that'll be easier for me, and see what happens. Okay. I'm going to dab a little of water, and this is the soap off my brush. Okay. Guys, I can tell you it feels really good. Tickles, but it's it feels really good, guys. Like a 10 out of 10 on how this brush feels. And this is my problem area, so I really going to be using it here because this is where my eczema shows out the worst. face. This brush works. It works. Look what came off of my skin, and a lot of it's dead skin because this area is really always really flaky. So this brush I highly recommend. Again, I'm not being paid to tell you guys to use this item. This is my personal, actual, honest opinion. I know when something's too rough on my skin because my skin is really sensitive. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleansed off my face, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Don't, tell a friend somebody might need this brush as well. And like I said, look down in the description. You guys are going to see a nice little treat for you guys, and enjoy.